Eye onuyafo amwako ata na yekasa de wotwa eye ahomamu se yenhyase na Agbogbloshie kwan no yenye ho adwuma na wo chese wiebe busumi dumienu na ewie bibia
ene yakati sort for the Agbogbloshie road say yebeye ni tintin ye 2.5 kilometers contractor edina toso one of the best contractors in this country, Jasmo Construction, one of the best, and the importance of this road. Within 24 months, God willing, Yebesan Abahabio Abe commission this road. Yen starting road biya ma enka. There's no road since 2017. Yashase aka astro. Whatever it is, problem can create bam said then gra yebewe. Into this road onyamiadum within 24 months yebeba na yabe commission road. A economic hub for Accra. Into as I say ye manu befitting road network. Na see ha kama na yebe pedestrian walkway. Onge ye dwuma wonga ebeto ade wa ha on Saturdays ebenya baby afa as part of the works, the scope of works of this project. Ye be constructed fresh bridge atu odo no so and ye ekwan yi fefe dual carriage ye be provided lightning anajo ye be we ekwan the people of Accra, people of Ghana, and particularly people within this vicinity, the decent road atuha, and it's going to be asphalted, dual carriage asphalted, and it will be delivered within 24 months.
Yeah, that's all Agbogbloshie na adwadifo ne adrobafo a wo ho